Just a fun little video today, real quick. Just want to do a test of the Sonicwake 24 without trim tabs. Taken it out a couple of times and the thing drives perfect. If anything, it's a little bit too darty when the trim tabs are set where the factory is. You're better off bending them up, and it just helps it get on the plane a little bit better. I've just blocked up those two holes there with hot melt glue, and these ones, they had the nuts on the back there which are a pain to get off, so I'll have fun putting the trim tabs back on, but let's see what it does. I'll just show a quick video of it going with the trim tabs, and then we'll do the video straight after that.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Seems alright without anything on the back, doesn't it?
It does. This is reminding me of the disruptor when we did this.
I can just turn it flat out like it's nothing. Oh, it's getting a bit rougher now. Still alright. What the hell?
They wouldn't. Surely they wouldn't put them on if they didn't need them, right?
This does surprise me though, this is running perfect. And as I bring it in and see what speed it gives.
Yeah.
Can it do what the box says with a much bigger, better pressure now?
Hopefully.
Should do, look.
It did look alright.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, wait for it. Just move it. Oh, it's going to. Right. Alright. 51.
51 k's an hour.
51 kph.
What's that? 50 is 30 mile an hour, I think.
What's the box though? 55, isn't it?
The box says 56 k's an hour, I think.
56, yeah, okay.
And
so we're still not even there.
So even without any weight on the back.
Weight, least amount
Like
of
any
drag possible.
We can't even do that, but oh well.
Okay,